In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shapes for CapCut on PC. We'll walk through a simple method that lets you turn any solid background into a customizable shape, and then place and resize that shape anywhere in your project. This is really useful for things like callouts, text boxes, overlays, or simple design accents in your video. First, make sure you already have a project open in CapCut on your computer. You should be inside the main editor, where you can see your timeline at the bottom and your preview window in the center. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel with different tabs. Look for the tab labeled Elements and click on it. Once you're in the Elements panel, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word background. CapCut will show you a variety of options, but what you want is a solid color background. Choose a simple one, like a plain white or a single color background. As soon as you click on it, CapCut will automatically add that background into your project and place it on your timeline as a new clip. Now, click on that new background clip in your timeline to select it. When it's selected, you'll see its properties appear in the panel, usually on the right side of the screen. In this properties panel, look for a section called Basic. Go ahead and click on Basic to expand it if it's not already open. Inside the Basic settings, find the option called Mask. This is the tool that will let you turn your solid background into a shape. Click on Mask, and CapCut will show you a set of available shapes, such as circles, rectangles, and other simple forms. Choose the shape you want to use. After selecting your shape, click Done to apply it. You should now see that your solid background in the preview window has been cut into the shape you selected. To adjust the size, click on the shape in the preview, and you'll see resize handles appear around it. Click and drag these handles to make the shape larger or smaller. You can also click and drag the shape itself to move it anywhere on the screen, positioning it exactly where you want it in your video layout. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom shape in CapCut on PC and learned how to resize and place it in your project.